So Thomas has the bright idea to prank his father-in-law or ex-father-in-law. He's working in an office doing the bathroom and the kitchen. So he wants to show him my wheels and then honk on the horn, on the train horn. This guy is like what? How old is this guy?
This guy's, he could be 20, but you don't prank your ex-father, like, that's weird.
Who does that? You know, this guy, like,
well, first of all,
it's just weird.
It's just weird that he's working.
I know. Well, he was recommended by Thomas, so, but.
He does a great job.
Yeah, but it's just weird.
Yeah. I don't know.
Anyways, this guy's gonna prank him. So I told him not to, but he's like, I'm doing it. So I'm gonna show you guys.
Just go out. You're gonna get a better reaction out there. Just go out.
¿Tienes que fijarte allá? ¿La viste?
You're going to hell. You're going to hell. I was telling these guys that you're pranking your old father-in-law. Like
My ex-father. Ex.
it's still weird.
Why? Why is it weird? Why? I had a good relationship with him. That's what relationship is all about.
That's weird.
Well, he said he was gonna get me back, so.
I know, he probably will.
He was gonna electrocute him or something. All right, so right now we're heading to go see two houses that you're interested in.
Yes, I am. If you watch the TMF vlog, I don't know if it'll be out by then. It should be out. I'm looking at several houses. You probably know.
Yep.
Because I think it's finally time that, you know, I purchase a home. I'm getting old enough. It's kind of like the next step. But it's a big step.
It's a huge investment,
And
trust me.
I am the most indecisive person you'll ever meet. And for this decision, it's like, I can't decide. There's so many good options and like, so I'm going back.
But you narrowed it down to two homes, right?
I narrowed it down to two homes. Two homes that I really
You saw
like.
on the TMF channel, the one you showed, there were 5 homes, correct?
Correct.
All right, so he narrowed it down to 2 homes.
One of them was on the TMF channel, one of them wasn't.
Yes, because you saw that one the weekend before.
I recorded that vlog.
So you're gonna see it now this time.
The cool thing about this area, so check this out. The president of Penn State has a house there.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty freaking cool. And like there's like a bunch of other cool people that live on that lot, and the house that I'm looking at, or the two, are the cheapest on the block.
Yeah.
Which is a good thing, real estate standpoint.
For the value of the home.
Value of the home.
Down
When
the
I
road.
decide to sell down the road, hopefully it gains a little bit of equity.
It's gonna be like it's more of an investment, really,
Correct.
right now.
Correct.
You know, sometimes you buy a home and it doesn't become an investment; it's more of a burden. But this time, it's definitely gonna be an investment.
Well, hopefully, yeah.
Because I mean, it's a great area. There's a new house, all the houses around.
Bro, we have like a whole arsenal back there. So we haven't showed him that new gun.
No.
So we went to the gun range the other
All right,
day.
let's get demonetized in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boom. Open those up. Open those bad boys up. I'm carrying like 300 rounds of ammo back there.
Oh crap!
No, you're not gonna.
I won't be able to. The clips are on the other side.
But I can insert a clip of the gun. It even has a freaking. This laser is insane, dude.
You got a knife?
It's in my room.
Yes, that bad boy. But I was thinking about it this morning. So we went to the gun range yesterday with our manager.
Yeah.
Super fun time, right? He was first time shooting guns, so we wanted to show him, you know, a couple fun guns, right? And I didn't take him down. So this morning I'm like, man, if I ever get pulled over, that's gonna be an interesting story. Like, what are you doing
with the
whole
weapons?
arsenal in your damn truck? Sorry, I was just like,
That's so funny. Anyways, it's a great investment. So let's go see those houses. You're gonna see one of the
maybe
houses.
you can help.
All right, so we are here. This is the little community.
Double gate, because
Double gate. There's the river back there, so that's nice.
I like the water feature. I love this whole entryway.
Yeah,
too.
that's a beautiful entry. This is the house. I mean, it's beautiful. Yeppers. right, so this is house number
this-
1.
The one thing I like about this, the garage doors on
Garage.
these are extra tall, meaning my
garage.
truck
Truck.
would fit in perfect.
Trucks can fit.
And it's a 3-car garage.
And look at this door. This door, love this door.
I think this door's better than the other.
Yeah, this door is gorgeous.
It's not bad.
Alright, so this is the tile. I love this tile. This
Yo,
is
honestly,
Mr. Eddie, realtor.
Alright, so
Kitchen.
I think I like this kitchen better.
My dad said the same thing, and I like the other kitchen better, in my opinion. Yeah. So you have the kitchen here. This is the dining room area. This is the living room, family. I love the huge sliding doors.
But you can do the same thing with the other houses.
I can do that with the other one, no, right?
And they go all the way in. Yep.
See, this is cool. I like it.
And it's screened, so you can have it open. All right, so let's show you everything else. Right here, you have a little grilling area. You have your little sink. You can put the grill with the gas hookup over here. So, you know, host little parties here and there. Like I said, this is the living room, dining. That's the little den area. There's a den.
I think the bathroom on this one sucks too.
Yeah, I don't like the bathroom of this one.
This looks.
This is a half bath. It's alright. I just don't like the design of it.
So this is a master.
This is the master,
Yeah, I like this big door right here.
but it's not huge.
I like the tile.
I love the tile.
This thing is stained though, like all over the place, right?
That's the it just needs to be cleaned.
like
That's how
paint.
mine was. No, it's not paint. It's from the grout.
Oh.
Closet,
This
closet,
bathroom's ugly though.
Yeah,
and this bathroom right here.
those are pretty big. But they haven't put any shelves up.
They haven't done anything to the. So there's the bathroom of this
The
one.
pool was done last time we came, it wasn't.
Yeah, when I saw it, it was.
That's dope though.
I like that.
I like how
I like that shower.
I even like the little bench.
No, it's cool.
Put a TV back there.
Yeah, I could relax and I could be in there for a couple hours.
Yeah, but I'm not a huge fan of it.
Compared to the other one?
No.
It feels tight.
The other one, when you open the door, it was like, bam.
Yeah,
With the tub
exactly.
in the middle, it was really, really well done. Really well done.
We're gonna go to another bedroom over here.
Yeah, I think I like the kitchen and the pool area.
You have a bedroom here with a bathroom. Bedroom number 2 is this one with the bathroom. Oh, is this like a?
It's a pantry.
Oh, it's a pantry.
It's like a pantry, yeah. There's supposed to be shelves in there.
Another closet. This bathroom is not bad. I like this
one's way
bathroom.
better than the other one.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
this one's not bad. It's not finished. And then you have
So this is-
another bathroom.
The other one's right.
I mean bedroom and another bedroom. So you have 4 bedrooms.
The garage.
4
1,
bedrooms.
2.
There's one in that corner with the
Oh,
bathroom.
that's right.
And then
Is
the
that a
master.
bedroom? Did it have a closet?
Yes, because it has a bathroom too.
Okay, so 4 bedrooms.
4 bedrooms, and plus a den.
And
The
this
garage is
sick.
massive, bro.
And then
I like the laundry room too. So
this garage right here.
laundry room is packed.
It's huge.
Garage is massive.
I love it.
Yeah.
Like the.
I even like the floor.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have jet skis, 4-wheelers, all the
These
whole
are
nine.
so dope. They're like motorcycles on the water.
All right, so let's go to house number 2. All right, so this is house number 2.
This is, I think, my personal favorite.
2.
I think just the color of it.
I like the color. I like the driveway.
Entrance.
For whatever reason, I like, that's,
It's more spacious.
yeah, I don't know what it is. So that's nice.
I think it looks smaller from the outside. You know why? Because this house has this side.
So yeah, that's the house we just looked at.
Yeah, it's right there.
I think that house looks bigger from the front.
Even though this house is bigger than that house.
But it has more accents too. Like, you see, I got the walls over here and the columns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it kind of boxes it in and gives it more of a.
Yeah, but I like this color better.
Oh yeah, the color.
I mean, I don't mind that one, but I like this one better. Now let's look at the kitchen. I think this, in my opinion, I like this one
I
better.
know the bathroom here is better.
Yeah.
The bathrooms are better here.
Yeah, hands down. That's way better. Yeah, I like this tile as well. I like them better too. See, I like this. I don't know. I like this kitchen better.
This kitchen does look clean though.
It looks
I like the
nice.
tone accents.
I love that fan.
Yeah, no, the fixtures in the other house too were crazy. That fan is sick.
It's just really dark.
I think these take a while to
Yeah, but I don't know.
My model's house, the one that we just sold him, it did the same thing. It takes some time to
To warm up or something?
They're like that.
I mean, overall, yeah, I think I like the other picture better.
You do?
Yeah.
I like this
Because
one.
it
Yeah.
has an extra island. You got the cooking island, and then you got the...
Yeah, the other one doesn't have it. Yeah, this one doesn't have that.
This is just one massive island.
One massive.
This is a massive
I like that though. That's a gas stuff. But yeah, I don't know. I like this kitchen better. I like this distribution better. You have your living room, family room. You have a dining room area, and then you have for a little breakfast kitchenette table right there.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So I like that better. This is the master bedroom. Let's see. Look at this bathroom. Look at this this bathroom is gorgeous. That tub is nice. You have your sink, your vanity right there. Look at the shower. The shower is gorgeous. Nice, nice. And then this is the bedroom side. The closets are already done. You know, you have the closets right here, and then this is the bedroom. So much bigger, in my opinion at least, than the other one. Bedroom number 2 with a very, very nice half bath. Some storage space. Laundry room. Garage. Very nice garage. And now this is a den. This is not even a bedroom, so this is a den right here, because it doesn't have a closet. So that another bathroom, another room. So total, this one has 3 bedrooms plus a den. I love the distribution of this house. Still love this freaking ceiling fan. All right, so that house.
That house is freaking beautiful, bro. Like
I'm telling you, the second house is nicer.
This
Yes.
white one.
Yes.
I mean,
it's
I love
nicer.
the kitchen of the first one, but we just talked to the developer, the guy that owns this property. He's kind of like an
And the,
investor. He builds homes, sells them.
Attention to detail that this guy, like the thoughts
He
of
just
every
explained
little
everything,
thing
and I'm like, whoa.
that we didn't notice at first,
No.
but then when we see it, it's like, this makes
And
sense.
look at my neighbors. This guy bought 3 lots on this island.
To be able
Each
to fit.
each lot is like 300 plus grand. He bought 3 lots.
Yeah, because it's towards the water.
And it's 12,000
1,000
square feet. Look at
is a
that-
mansion.
That mammoth.
So these are the type of neighbors or people that live here. I mean, like you said, Penn State, the Penn State guy, an HP executive.
Executive, like
Lives down the road. So it's kind of like, I mean, the elite of
Of
this
our town.
area, you know, of our town. Like the realtor, my brother-in-law was saying, it's a good place to network with these people. They're your neighbors.
I'm gonna be like the young
I
Mexican,
mean-
like, what is this guy doing? Pulling up, like, hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's
I
up,
know.
neighbors?
They're gonna be like, how can he afford this? I love it so much. I want to build my own house here.
This guy always, bro, always.
I'm sorry. I mean, it's just it's the
no.
best area in St. Lucie County that I can see. It's just beautiful. I mean,
100%. And now, I don't know, because now it's a debate whether I want to buy that home
Or build.
with him, because he's a custom builder, and he was explaining his process and like.
and what has surprised me, like no, not surprised, like what makes me want to build with him is his attention to detail that other builders don't have.
Yeah.
You know, he showed us other houses. He's like, look at this house. It doesn't have this, but this is what I did.
Yeah.
You know, the only thing that sucks here is that clubhouse. I wish
Yeah,
it was
that-
more impressive.
That clubhouse is trash.
You know, they have a pool, they have some a tennis court or whatever, but I wish it was more impressive.
Yeah, no, it's trash. But I mean, I'm never at the clubhouse. So I don't
No, neither am I, but it's always nice to have something, you know.
So I'm gonna wait and see what designs he sends over, and go from there.
Yeah, or like he said, you can even go online, find a Mediterranean, because everything has to be Mediterranean. You can find a Mediterranean home design that you want, that is over a certain amount of square footage, because it has to be a certain amount of square footage, and just customize it to whatever you want. And that's what makes it so much more valuable. It's not a cookie cutter home.
I'm excited.
I'm excited for you, and I'm excited if I get to build my house.
It's a little.
But not, I mean, before he gave the options of building, hands down, I'd take that house. If it
Yeah.
had one more room like I wanted, I would take that house in a
Yeah.
heartbeat. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. So that's it. Those 2 houses. I mean, not even 2. That house or building. So let us know. Leave a comment down below. Remember to subscribe, comment, like this video, and share this video. And I'll see you guys next time.
Peace.